Hi, I'm Gary Salman, CEO of Blacktown Security, and today we're going to be discussing a tip. Our cybersecurity tip of the day revolves around disaster recovery planning. We've unfortunately had to respond to numerous dental cybersecurity events across the United States. And in all of these cases, none of the practices had any type of emergency plans to deal with a significant event related to their servers and computers. So examples might be a fire, a flood, or a cyber event. And when these types of events strike and you don't have plans in place, you run around and scramble trying to fix the problem instead of having an emergency plan that tells you exactly what you need to do. So in the event of a cybersecurity event and you find all of your data encrypted, all of your computers encrypted, you may not know what to do. You may rely on your IT company. But what if your IT company is part of the cybersecurity event and their infrastructure has been encrypted and they can't help you? So these plans can be taken out and utilized to bring you back online. So in terms of a tip, here's what I would like for you to do. Have a conversation with your IT vendor and say, how is my data being backed up? Where is it being stored? In the event that I need to recover it, how do I do that? How long will it take to recover my data? So what you can do with your IT company is run a simulation. Pick maybe a Saturday or a Sunday and say, hey, let's simulate my server being hit by a cyber attack. And I want to bring all that data back. Show me how my data comes back. Confirm that every single vital system is back online. The other thing you want to do is audit some of your patient records. So find 10 patient records in your system, write down the number of x-rays they have, the number of attachments they have, their account balance. And then when you restore this data from the cloud or from an external backup, open up these patients in the restored data and validate that all of the information is there. Unfortunately, way too many times, practices have had to restore their data only to find that there was only a partial piece of data there, or even worse, there was no data. So take some time, talk to your IT vendors, and make sure that this is all valid. This is the difference between being out of business for a couple days or for weeks. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this tip.